mama. You're going down this time. You're going down.
That's it. Hey, man, that's a Mustang.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What did you just say?
Uh-oh. Now you pissed him off. Now you pissed him off. Hey, man, why don't you try to get a fast time? Quit being a girl. See what you can do, geek. Oh, that cost us. That cost us. Ah, damn it. Ah, damn it. Ah, dude.